Lily. Applesauce, yummy.
She's just not sure what to do with it when it's in her mouth.
It's kind of like, I don't know, it doesn't taste bad.
Tastes applesaucey.
Mm-hmm. This is so cute. Oh, Lily, love you. More?
You'll get it, Lily.
Apple. Apple, sweet. She's doing pretty good. This is better than banana.